the big shark?
You mine. You are mine.
Get a fish, William.
I want to see it on the
Oh, it's going to take a while before we get it up. See, it's big.
It's big.
So, here we are in the middle of the ocean.
Yes.
The Greek archipelago. And our friend, the Captain Andreas, he probably got a white shark on the hook there.
Yeah.
Mama is standby. She's seasick. William is... How are you sick? William, are you seasick yet? You still seasick?
Big tuna.
Oh, there it is. Oh.
There's a big tuna. Okay, take the photos.
Whoa!
Yeah, it's working.
That's a big fish.
It's a big fish. Oh, I'm going to take a picture as well, eh? He's still alive, that poor fellow.
One more.
Did you see them catch it?
Yeah.
Was it cool?
Oh, I saw blood on it. Okay, let's go and swim.
All right.